In this video, I will show you how to send a folder in Gmail. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you do want to send a folder in Gmail, maybe you've got a folder with some files and documents or photos that you want to send through, like for example, a folder like this with some photos in, then what you need to do first is open up your Gmail. And once you've done that and you're logged in, come up and click the compose button to open up the new message window. Now, once you've done this, what you want to do, if you come down to the bottom, you're going to see some different icons, and you actually want to click onto this one here, which says insert files using Drive. Now, once you give that a click, it's going to open up a window like this. And from here, what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto the upload option here. And then what you want to do is click onto the blue browse button. Now what it's going to do is open up your file explorer. From here, locate where your folder is. So for myself, mine is on my desktop, so I'm going to click desktop, and you can see the photos folder here. Now what you want to do from here is actually right click onto the folder, come down on this menu to send to, and on this sub menu you want to click onto compressed zipped folder. Now what that's going to do is create a new folder which is zipped, as you can see here, and it's going to take you directly to that as well. What you then want to do is double click, and what this is going to do is start uploading this ready to send. As you can see, this is now good to go, and what we can now do is just type the recipient into here, and of course you can add a subject line and your actual email down here, and once that's ready, all you need to do is come and click send, and that's going to send that email with the folder attached. So that's how to send a folder in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.